What do you want to be when you grow up? I have asked myself that question a lot over the years, and I finally realized that it's not what you want to be that matters, but what you like to do. Think about what you like to do. Would you rather solve a crossword puzzle or build a picnic table? Would you rather be on a team of people striving for the same outcome or be the team leader? Would you rather invent a breakthrough product or process or build the company that brings that creation to the market? Would you rather discover a new way to make that thing even better or dedicate yourself to telling others about how wonderful it is? Knowing what floats your boat is part one, and it's entirely up to you. Knowing what the options are in artificial intelligence is what I can help you with here. Like any industry, the world of artificial intelligence has opportunities for all kinds of activities and responsibilities, and there are plenty of roles waiting for you to dive into. Please note that these roles are not cut and dried. They overlap. Nobody can do all of them, but most successful people are able to do several of them with general knowledge of the rest. The question is, which of these fit your personality? First, there are the decision makers. While contributions will be needed from people who know AI really well, the decision maker is the business leader, the research funder, the entrepreneur. This is the person who assumes all the risk. This is the one who determines whether to go left, go right, do nothing. And they don't need to be the smartest technical person in the room when it comes to AI, but they do need to know how to assemble a crack team who does have the necessary technical knowledge. If you like being in charge and responsible for the overall success of the organization or the project, this might be the right job for you. Just be willing to assume all of the financial and reputational risk, all of the blame, all of the potential lawsuits, and if all of that is okay with you, be bold. If you're like me, you really enjoy working out the puzzle. That's where the analyst lives. The analyst is the person between the decision maker, the big boss, and the data people. This is the interpreter who can take a challenge or a goal and translate it into a data problem. Then they take the results and translate them back into non-technical language so the boss can make solid data-informed decisions. The analyst works with the data scientist. This is the statistician who understands the technology and the math and can build AI models to solve the data problem that the analyst has defined. The data scientist depends on the data engineers, who are responsible for building the systems that capture and manage data, clean and organize data, ensure that data makes it from point A to point B reliably, and can then take the data scientist's resulting models and scale them up for use in production. There's also a need for product creators. These people either build AI tools or construct tool platforms or ecosystems of AI tools that organizations can use, or they invent data products, AI-generated information for use by business or medicine or government. So even when it comes to AI, you have to ask yourself whether you would prefer being an urban planner, an architect, a construction foreman, or a bricklayer. Each role is crucial to building the skyscraper. Same is true for AI projects. It takes a village.